It's your boy Brappy here, fucking 8 a.m. Just woke up to this shit. Like, what the fuck? Holy fuck. Come on, Chief, let's go. Well, that's quite the way to start off the morning. Holy shit. Yeah, it's fucking freezing. Got some Timmies. Pretty nice we did.
Oh, you just knocked it all off my finger.
He's being quite the brat. Got a doggy Timbit, just devoured it. Yeah. And he kicked off his jacket and harness, took the leash off. He's like, fuck that. So, just came over here, taking in some nice views, eating a breakfast. Then hopefully the fucking fire dicks are gone soon, because, like, what a way to wake up. Like, bah, bah, bah. Fire alarm just ripping. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, decided to go back to bed because fire alarm woke us up early as fuck. So yeah, that's pretty much this day. I can get some dinner going here in a little bit and see what the night holds for us. But, yeah, it's a pretty good day though. It's not too often you get to sleep in all day. Just enjoying it. Cheers everyone. Had some bacon, eggs, homemade hash browns with potatoes. Babe did a fucking excellent job. Cleaned the kitchen all up. Did a couple loads of laundry. Now we're gonna go down to the superstore and get some hummus. Cause Babe's hummus was misplaced and not too sure where it got to. So we're gonna get some more.
Pulling my hair, I didn't see that.
Just went to the store and got a few things. Man, look at this fucking Honda. Just slammed on airbags, got the camber going. It's pretty dope. If I had it though, I'd be straightening those back tires the fuck out. Camber's a little retarded if you ask me, but whatever. It's not my car. I like the color of it though. Back at the apartment here, just fucking putting some groceries and shit away. Chief, leave those alone. The juice is not for you. Just right into everything. What a fucking guy. Yes, you're right into everything all the time.